Hello students. So in this class we shall discuss equation of trajectory. Okay. So we have already discussed that when a projectile is thrown, it will travel in a path like this. Okay. Now the total distance covered in the horizontal distance is called range. Total distance covered in the vertical direction is called maximum height. We all have derived expressions for r and h as well. Theta is the angle with which the projectile is thrown and u is the initial velocity. So what is equation of trajectory? Suppose while traveling the particle is here. At this point it will be having one x coordinate and a y coordinate as well. The relationship between x and y at any point on the path is called equation of trajectory. Okay. So what is x? Horizontal distance from this point to this point. This is nothing but coordinate of x coordinate of this point. So what is horizontal distance? That is horizontal velocity into time. Horizontal velocity is constant, u cos theta, because along horizontal direction acceleration is 0. No gravity is working. That's why it is uniform. So it will be u cos theta t, and t is the time taken by the particle to reach at this point. Now y is equal to vertical distance in this manner. Vertical distance means in this manner. So in vertical direction, what is the velocity? Vy. Vy is velocity, but initial velocity is uy. Acceleration is a is equal to minus g minus then what is this, you can apply this formula. S is equal to ut plus half at square. S here is the distance traveled, that's why I will write here y, because we are considering vertical direction. U is initial velocity along vertical direction, that is uy. Uy is nothing but this is u sin theta. So it will be u sin theta into t, so t plus half a is minus g into t square. Now this is expression for y. So I will repeat here, ut into sin theta minus half gt square minus half gt square. Now to establish a relationship between x and y, you have to replace t. Okay. From equation number 1, I can directly find t. What will be the value of t? That will be x is equal to ut cos theta. So t will be x by u cos theta. T is equal to x by u cos theta. Now replace t in this equation. So it will be y is equal to ut sin theta. So u sin theta into t. T is x by u cos theta. Now minus half gt square minus half g t square. T square means x square by u square cos square theta. Now we are already here, but little formality is there to complete it. So finally it is x tan theta minus this is g by 2 x square by u square cos square theta. Now this is y expression, but this is a bit complicated one. If you remember it directly, it is okay, but I will suggest another easy formula which will be easier for you to remember. What is that? Y is equal to, take x tan theta common. Here it will be 1 minus, if you take x tan theta, here it is 1, but here there is no x tan theta, so we have to divide it. So g by 2 x square by u square cos square theta by x tan theta, x tan theta. Now this is equal to x tan theta whole into 1 minus 1 x cancels out with another x g by 2 u square cos square theta, then tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. 1 cos theta is cancelled out with another, so it will be equal to x tan theta 1 minus g by 2 into x by u square sin theta cos theta. Now this is equal to x tan theta 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta is nothing but 2 sin theta cos theta is nothing but sin 2 theta, so it will be u square sin 2 theta. Okay, so let me write the equation again. So y is equal to x tan theta whole into 1 minus gx by u square sin 2 theta. Now I'll modify it further. 1 minus, I'll put this g under this one. Now look at this expression, u square sin 2 theta by g. What is the formula? It is nothing but horizontal range, so it will be x by r. So this is the final formula. Now it is your choice which one you want to remember. X tan theta whole into 1 minus x by r. Here r is the horizontal range, and range formula is u square sin 2 theta by g. Okay, this is the equation of trajectory. So okay, due to some network problem we could not discuss anything today. I hope the network will be better tomorrow. Thank you.